sunshine cake.
It does more good than a big thick steak.
Start with a tablespoon of trouble.
Then add a smile and let it bubble up.
You mean that
Rinse
rinse?
over. We ought to bake a sunshine cake.
It isn't really so hard to make.
Fresh tears, a pound or two of pleasure.
Kind words, you needn't use a measure cup. It's not from a recipe book. You don't have to be a good cook.
Or run to the oven and look. With such a simple dish,
All you do is wish, so why not bake a sunshine cake?
of course it may keep your dreams away.
Friends say there's nothing like the flavor.
Don't wait to do your friends a favor.
And for goodness sake,